Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today I'm bringing you all the information on Bedoyecta, a supplement that helps you increase your vitamin B levels, including vitamin B complex and folic acid. Let's get started. Did you know that feeling tired or foggy-headed could be related to a deficiency in certain important nutrients? I'm talking about B vitamins, which are essential for energy and overall good health. That's where Bedoyecta comes in. It is a supplement designed to replenish these essential nutrients, making sure your body runs like a well-oiled machine. You might be wondering in which situations Bedoyecta is prescribed. Well, it is usually recommended for people with malnutrition, during recovery from illnesses, or simply to combat the tiredness of daily life. It is also ideal for pregnant women who need a folic acid boost to support the development of the fetus. So how does it work? Bedoyecta provides a potent dose of B vitamins directly to your system, which helps produce energy and red blood cells, in addition to improving brain function and nerve. As for the dosage and how to take it, it's very simple. Bedoyecta is generally taken once a day, but it is always best to follow your doctor's specific instruction. They will tell you the correct starting and maintenance dose based on your needs. Let's move on to the side effects. Like any Bedoyecta can cause some. These may include mild reactions, such as an upset stomach, or a tingling sensation. It is important to note that you should always talk to your doctor about any health problems you have before you start taking a new supplement, especially if you are taking other medication. To sum it up, if you are looking to increase your energy and overall well-being, Bedoyecta could be what you need. Always check with your doctor to make sure it is right for you. And remember that maintaining a balanced diet is essential for optimal health. That's all for today. Stay healthy and keep thriving.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.